Hey, what's up? I'm in Bali, photo camp 2023, and we just did a modeling shoot at the beach and some bike shots at the beach. Pretty awesome. We already did it. Like, I'm gonna still use this as my intro. Who cares? But yeah, like I said, we're at the beach. As you can see, nice sunset back there. Let me zoom in. Back there, they're still shooting with Faye. But yeah, already got plenty of shots. So, dope bike shots coming in, dope modeling shots coming in. See ya, beaches.
Very nice.
How was the bicycle?
Very nice, very sketchy because the guy drove it for the first time, I think, but it was very cool.
Sort of going to be the best, right, where we're going to sort of shoot for. So maybe if you just want to literally just do some laps, yeah, just literally drive around, have fun, do whatever you want, do a jump if you want.
Jump on you.
Yeah, it's okay.
Don't move in front of me.
I pissed myself.
What? It's perfect, it's perfect. Yeah. Look to your camera.
Oh, dude! Look at this. Look at this.
Look at this one.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, zoom in your face.
Oh, fuck!
Yeah, look at mine.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh, my lens is wet.
Oh! Who got that? Who got that?
I did.
I got it. That's a reflection. Can I get closer for a close up? Yeah. I see shit already. That's fine. This one guy ripped it. Gonna wait for a splash bag. Maybe here? Fucking big wing. Yeah, no! Oh!
Get it.
Yeah, bro. That's right. Look at that! It's too hard for you to ride down on.
You got it also?
Right. The other one? No, I said the other way around. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh shit.
It's okay?
Yeah, I think so.
You okay, Billy?
I'm all wet! Beach. Where are we going back here?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, who needs dry cameras anyway?
It's iPhone, right? Oh, fucking hell.
Ah, Jesus.
So now we're going to go full body FH it. I'll need to step back. Oh, like that. Exactly like that. Alright.
You need some more space?
To get a full body with the inside,
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Just walking right in front of you.
Go a bit further back.
Is that alright?
Question is, do we get feet or do we just get rock? Just rock is boring.
Oh, I got it.
It's an alright location because it's so close to the rock. It's kind of like hard to get variety in the composition. This location is fucking sick.
So yeah. Doesn't get much better than this.
Yeah, this is the location there.
Yeah.
That's. What about that way there, babe? You ready?
Oh, that one, yeah.
3, 2, 1. Perfect.
No! My flip!
Thank you, man.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, the line's getting a little bit shadowy here, sorry. What are the boys up there?
Yeah, there's still a...
I think I've got my shot. I can get
Oh, yeah.
I got it.
Got it?